What's up, good people? Hopefully today's going well for you. This is the vlog number 1. I'm taking care of this intro. I won't take care of all of them, but I got today. Hopefully you enjoy it. Consider giving us a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, come back for another visit, turn on the notifications, all that good stuff. We're headed out to Central Utah. We're taking a side-by-side out. Going to show off the Polaris some, practice up a little bit, make sure we don't get rusty. So we want to get out and explore a little bit. Hopefully you enjoy the process and you want to come along with us, because every new location we go to, we're going to try and show it off some. So hope you like it. Let's go.
Currently trying to get this and that, and Dodge is having a little bit of a struggle. We'll see if it works while eating a burrito. And it's a win, boys. We did it. How's your breakfast this morning, Dodge?
So good. Let me tell you, this little, it's called a bundle. A sausage, egg, and cheese bundle from Maverick.
It's the Maverick special, right?
Dude, the Maverick
so
special.
money.
Luke wanted a monster, but I told him that we wanted abs instead.
So you got the bundle?
Alright, so right here, this is JD right here. Alright, JD's our media guy for Supercross.com. Okay, we're going out to Prime, he's coming with us. So we're about to have a good time. He's in that Digi-Camo truck, that thing's sweet.
We need some rims and a lift on it though. For sure.
Okay, so restart the video, start. Yeah, Dodge Poelman here. We're out here at Prime Motorsports in Fillmore, Utah. We got our 2 machines here. We got a 4-seater Turbo S and a 2-seater Turbo S. We're gonna go hit some trails out here today and just have some fun.
Boom. AKA Stealth Wealth. Boom. These are cool. Is this the one that flipped?
No, so this machine is actually a machine that I won in the 2018 UTV World Championship.
Oh, nice. So
we won this machine, and I think the first time we ever took it out, we rolled it in Moab, Utah. Just flipped right on its back. We like to break in our machines nice and early.
So we're down here around the Fillmore area. We found these trails we're gonna try out. We're buying some batteries for the radios, just so we can kind of give one another some clearance and the okays. It's gonna be cool. First time riding down here. We'll be trying out some new places though. I think will turn out really, really fun. Hopefully you like it. About the machine?
For the most part, it's pretty stock. Polaris has done a great job on this machine. Everything is, fit to finish. One of the only things we've done is we put a street legal kit on it because I don't like to drive my truck everywhere. I'd rather drive this. We have these 32-inch Tensor tires with some methods on there. A little custom red on there to give it some style. Some of my favorite things about doing to the RZRs, you got to put a windshield on it. Like I'm telling you, for anything, whether it's your dad, mom, girlfriend, or little sister, they're gonna want the windshield, and they'll go with you. And I like girls, so I want them to come with me. Polaris has got this nice cooler back here. Just makes things simple. We have the dynamic suspension. It's something that comes stock on the Turbo S here. And it gives you a few options. You have the firm, the sport, and the comfort. And you know what that means is like you can have it nice and firm where you're maybe doing some drifting on some asphalt. You have some comfort, you know, when you put, you know, someone else in the car, or you just want to kind of glide. What's nice about this is the suspension rides so smooth. You know, I have a fully built race car, and we have $20,000 King shocks on it, and this thing rides just as comfortably sometimes. And so, you know, at the end of the day, you don't even need something like that.
About it.
Good day, boys. Good day.
Okay, I had them go in front of me a little bit just because it's so loud. I wasn't able to record. I wanted the mic to pick me up. We're west of Fillmore. Really, really pretty day. Yeah, it's muddy, but it's gonna start to dry out. Back on this side, really black dirt on the trail with a white snowbank. Really pretty. Hope you like the footage. Hope you like this type of video. Like I said, give us a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing. We'll do this once a week, maybe twice a week, especially while we're in quarantine time. And let us know if there's another place you want us to try out. We'll just go to a different part in the state. Hopefully these are okay. Enjoy the day. Get out and ride.